is washing down your face, leaving nothing but a cold, deserted space. I watch the cigarette burn down to the gray, just like the promises that slipped away. The city lights are drowning in the mist, and I am just a name that you dismissed. Your winter coat is still behind the door, stained with the shadows bleeding on the floor. I try to breathe, but oxygen is tight, buried alive inside this endless night. There is no shelter from this pouring rain, just the slow addiction to the pain. And I am crawling in the shattered glass, watching the memories slowly pass. How do I breathe when you took my air, left me dying in this dark despair? Oh, this endless rain is burning my skin. Tell me, where do I end, and where do you begin? The morning light will only bring the truth. I wasted all my heavy heart on you. The heavy brass is weeping in the dark, a dying fire that lost its very spark. And I am crawling in the shattered glass, watching the memories slowly pass. How do I breathe when you took my air, left me dying in this dark despair? Oh, this endless rain is burning my skin. Tell me, where do I end, and where do you begin?